barbecue burger, jerk chicken pasta, jerk shrimp pasta, boba, chicken nugget meal. Yeah, outside. We have to taste one of them here.
I want to, but you know, food is something I always love. So this is actually my passion. I want to focus on it.
I like how you're ambitious.
Tony, and I make some mistake in my life, you know. And I'm glad to say my life so I can capitalize on everything and give it a good shot at what I do best.
Aww. You know, some people look on you and know.
Never judge a book
By its cover.
no with one look.
So you say I got the delivery, right?
Yeah.
So if you go up on the road, make you go and sell the food then. Yes, so in case anybody come and order. No.
Yeah, as long as you don't eat all the food.
We not do that one. From once we have money, we go pay for it. Anyways, Bubbles, she know a whole heap of people. She can give me them contact and I can call them so you can get a whole heap of people to come here and buy your food.
Yeah, that sounds good. I know some people too. So it can work.
Of course it can work. Not even can, it go work.
Oh, and I swear, you know, I never know if I stay did nice. Because when we usually come at the shop, usually move stock up.
I never know if I said it ambitious.
Thanks, but you know, on a serious, you know I like you.
Kinda like you too. But I can ask you something?
Yeah.
You have a girlfriend?
Yeah, I know. But to tell the truth, from she booked that flight, I never hear back from her and it's been a month now, so I really don't know. Maybe she move on.
Maybe you can move on too.
Maybe. So Tony, I can ask you something.
Yeah?
Do you have a boyfriend?
Not anymore. I broke him up.
Huh? You did what?
Mommy, we break up.
I can't pretend it. Don't understand this is something that's not. You got me locked on your love like a drug.
Alright, so yeah, come going now, yeah?
Alright. Kareem,
Yeah?
you have to pay for your jacket too.
Oh! See here, I can keep the change here.
Oh, and you did say you don't buy him a jacket.
Oh, yeah, my general, the general. See here? The general.
You keep the change to here?
Yeah, man. Alright, cool. Oh, my general! Lord, God, come. Yeah, my general, I move my butt. This one, remember, you know, the grey and white house, the round on the other side. Remember, everything but it. I remember saying I work on everything. I'm general, I'm general. You see it? Alright.
Yo, General.
Yo!
Let me ask you something.
Yeah, my general.
You know somebody named Quickfoot?
Yeah, quick. I'm a cousin, man. What? You know him?
Yeah. I'm a G, man.
Alright, my general. Big up here.
Kareem! You look your phone.
Oh. Thanks there. Let's see again here. Alright.
Come on.
Yeah, boss, you are going. Yeah, I'm there at the shop. And him forward at the shop. And him tell me where him house there. Yeah, man. And I ask him if he know Quickfoot. And he say, yeah, I'm cousin. Yeah, man, so we're going to fix things. Alright, we connect. Yeah. We connect.